Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a text in over an image in a WordPress site. So for this you have to simply go to the start button, then simply type in the Chrome or the preferable browser that you would like to use, then simply click on enter. After that it will simply take you to the browser, then simply type in www.wordpress.com in the top search bar, and then you have to just simply put in your login credentials there, and it will simply take you to this page like this. And from here what you need to do is simply click on the edit site option. And once you are in the edit site option, what you need to do is simply go to the plus icon in the top navigation bar. Here you can see the block inserter option. Just simply click on it, and here you have to simply search for the cover option, and then it will take a couple of seconds to get loaded. Here you can see I have already got the cover. Then just simply choose it and place it to the place, and here you can see I have already placed the cover option. And here you have to just simply choose a media. Let's say I'd like to go for upload, and here you have to choose a media that you would like to upload. So let's say I would like to upload an image from here, and we are going to upload an image, and here you can see we have already uploaded an image. Now you can just simply write a title here. So let's say I'd like to go for the hello. Since the file type is not supported, it's not showing the image currently, but in your case it should supposed to show. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.